Hypnosis is not relaxation, and it's important that the client know this, but I like to use relaxation hypnosis in the client's first session, and I like to do that for two very good reasons. First, it's slow. So it gives the client time to notice changes as they're happening, and this provides a sense of safety. They're aware that things are happening. You're giving lots of suggestions for deepening physical relaxation, and if the client is following your instructions to relax, they're going to start feeling more relaxed, and this provides a sense of comfort and security. Second, it's slow. So it gives you time to assess and adjust to the needs of the client. It gives you time to observe their responses to your suggestions. And this makes it safer for the client to follow your instructions because it's congruent. As you observe the client's responses to your suggestions, you'll be able to incorporate whatever it is that you're observing into your suggestions. And this is going to help the client to relax even deeper because your suggestions will be congruent with what they're actually experiencing. You can then bring the client's attention to those feelings and those sensations of deepening relaxation, and you can use these things as evidence of the power of their own mind.